चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Viewers, now after 35 days of being on the run, Prajwal Revanna returned to Bengaluru last night and he was arrested by the SIT team. In fact, they are seeking a 10-day judicial custody for him and they are questioning him about the mobile phone on which the videos were recorded. And in the latest development, Republic has accessed inside details of investigation. Top sources say that SIT questioned Prajwal Revanna about the mobile phone on which these alleged videos were recorded. Prajwal Revanna has handed over his mobile phone, in fact, and that he has now, it is suspected that Prajwal Revanna's earlier mobile phone had been destroyed. Joining us is my colleague Prajwal from Bengaluru. Prajwal, a very good morning to you. Now, we know that Prajwal Revanna has been arrested the moment he landed in Bengaluru and now they are investigating him. They are seeking a 10-day judicial custody for him as well. Take us through how the investigation is moving forward. I believe they are questioning him about the mobile phone on which the videos were recorded.
You know, before we get to that, Guinea, now just breaking news coming in, we saw the lawyer of Prajwal Revanna entering inside the SIT office into the CID headquarters in Carlton House as well. So in all likelihood, he will be basically taking an update from the special investigation team as to what the proceedings will be as well. So he's come in as early as around 9 this morning as well. And remember that the courts will begin functioning from 10:30 this morning. Now, coming to the devices that you were speaking about, remember that the victims under CRPC section 164 had gone ahead and recorded statements saying that Prajwal Revanna had shot these videos on his mobile phone as well, and therefore the special investigation team got to the bottom of this particular case and have gone ahead and questioned Prajwal about his mobile phone, where he has produced the mobile phone which he was currently using. But also at the same point of time, this was not the mobile phone on which the videos were shot as well, because they have gone through the contents of what is there on this particular mobile phone too, but then they were not able to find anything. So therefore, this is the mother device which is basically being considered as a primary evidence, and even under the Digital Act, it will have to be given to the court as well. And if he does not go ahead and reveal the details, then there will also be additional charges that will be booked against Prajwal Revanna under tampering. And also now, if there are any other devices on which these videos are available, that will also be given in the form of evidence to the court after checking with the FSL, which will also be declared as the secondary evidence. But the key for this entire case is the primary device or the mother device, which will hold all the important information as well as these allegedly recorded videos from this particular mobile phone which Prajwal Revanna has shot the victims.
All right, Prajwal, stay with us. In fact, we're getting more breaking news on this, viewers. Now, 6 accused of kidnapping case registered have now applied for bail, and the petition was filed in special court. The people's representatives in the court will hear the bail plea today. Going back to you, Prajwal, now, this information is the latest information that the 6 accused in kidnapping case have applied for a bail, and this will be heard today. In fact, the bail plea will be heard today. Take us through those details.
Absolutely, because remember that HT Revanna had gone ahead and secured a bail in this particular case from KR Nagar as well, but majority of them had bailable sections. But from the accused number 2 to the accused number 7, none of them had got any sort of bail. And after the SIT had gone ahead and grilled them, they were handed over to the judicial custody. Now these 6 accused have been identified as Satish Babana, who's the accused number 2 in the case, who allegedly picked up this women on the instructions of Bhavani Revanna, Revanna. So therefore, there is also trouble for Bhavani Revanna as well. And apart from that, we are also looking at Kirti, Sujay, Madhu, Manu Gowda and Raj Gopal as well, who have appeared for, who have gone ahead and appealed for bail too. But remember, as this also goes ahead and concerns the people's representative over here, even their case will be heard at the Special People's Representative Court as well. So that is somewhere scheduled for anywhere between 12:30 to 1 noon as well. So all said and done, we will need to wait in whether they will be able to secure bail or not. And remember, this is the third time that all the other accused, from accused number 2 to accused number 7, going ahead and applying for an interim bail in this particular kidnapping case.
All right, Prajwal, stay with us. Yet another update coming in that Republic has learned that Prajwal Revanna's anticipatory bail plea was scheduled to be heard at 12 noon today. However, the SIT has already arrested Prajwal and will inform the court about the arrest at 11 a.m. today, which is just a short while from now. Prajwal, going back to you again. We know that his anticipatory bail was filed even before he landed. It was applied for before he landed, but yet the SIT team arrested him, and they will inform about his arrest in just a short while from now.
Absolutely, Guinea. Look at it. Now, on 29th of May, Mr. Arun, who is the legal counsel of Prajwal Revanna, had gone ahead and applied for bail in the People's Special Representative Court as well. But that was an anticipatory bail, and that could have been taken into consideration only before Prajwal Revanna would have been arrested. But now, with the fact that Prajwal Revanna has been arrested, this particular anticipatory bail in all the three cases will not have any sort of legal validity, and it will be considered as null and void. And this is something which Prajwal Revanna was not expecting, and this is a big setback as well, so that they will have to now file all these applications again, but this will come under the interim bail in itself. And therefore, even the judge also did not want to take up the case, because he gave over 24 hours for the special public prosecutor to go ahead and file the objections in this particular case too. And considering the fact that the bail was applied not for one but for three cases, even the SPP Jagdish also stated that he will not be able to do it within a single day. So all said and done now, we will need to wait in as to what will be the next legal course of action for Prajwal Revanna's counsel, at least in all these three cases, Guinea.
Right, Prajwal. In fact, we are getting in another update on this, that SIT sources have informed that it was a conscious call to send all women officers to arrest Prajwal Revanna, a symbolic message that Prajwal exploited his seat and power as MP with women. Prajwal, what do you have to say to that?
You know, so far we have seen that the investigation officers for the case was named by Mr. B.K. Singh, and both of them are women IPS officers. We are seeing Seema Latkar, who was the SP of Mysuru, as well as the Suman Pennekar, who is the additional commissioner as well. And this was a message by the SIT and especially by the CID, stating that they are with the victims in this particular case, and even women officers are capable and efficient as well. And because Prajwal Revanna had gone ahead and abused the women, we saw that 7 women officers picked him up from the Bengaluru International Airport, brought him all the way, escorted by a convoy of again all the female officers too, so that this will send out a message to the victims to go ahead, come out as well, and not to be fearful of the rape accused MP as well, Guinea.
All right, Prajwal, thanks for getting us those details. But of course, we'll keep coming back to you for more developments on that story. Viewers, now getting you quick headlines.